This is the Mellif 18-volt pruning shear. It works with 18-volt batteries. You can use the Mellif batteries or you can use a Makita battery. I'm gonna test it in this video, and there is also a discount code for 20% off. This is the Mellif electric pruning shears, 18 volts, heavy duty, and it comes with 5-year warranty. Two 2-amp-hour batteries and a charger. You can see the model number here. And we're gonna try it with the 2-amp-hour, and I also have a 4-amp-hour battery. See if that make any difference in strength. We're also gonna take a look what diameter we can cut. So there are these gloves, a manual, 2 batteries, a charger, some tools and spare shear, and a nice heart. Now this is what comes in the box. Let's open up the battery. Again, this very nice battery indication. It's not fully charged, so that's what we first gonna do. We're gonna charge the batteries. Now the battery is fully charged. And this tool is also working with the Makita battery, as I mentioned. So if you want to turn it on, see what it does. If I move the trigger, it does nothing. If I push the button and I trigger twice, it's on. Hold it to the second beep, it's off. If I want to use it again, twice, and you can use it again. It comes with these tools, and I'm not gonna touch the blade when the battery is on. Always keep your hands away, but you can sharpen the blades with a whetstone if you like. Looks very nice. Switching it off again. Taking a look at the machine. Has a nice trigger, feels very strong, a rubber soft hand grip. This on and off button I showed you. Nothing much more. And like other tools, it doesn't have a safety in the handle. Other tools you have to hold, otherwise it won't work. And also other tools you can't touch the if you touch the blade it won't work. But this one will work. Heard people saying, "Oh, it's a dangerous tool." Yeah, well, but a table saw, a chainsaw, that can also be a dangerous tool. So don't worry, keep your hands away from the blade while using it. Now they claim you can cut branches up to 2.5 centimeters. I have seen other tools of this. You can also see them in my videos that won't make it up to 1.5, 1.8. Let's give it a test. Branches 8 millimeters. Turn it on. Very fast. Don't move your fingers in too close. Well, this is around 8 millimeters. Having a piece of 1 centimeter. And it's getting smaller here. 1.2 centimeters. And this one, 1.8, 1.9 millimeters. just have to be aware of my fingers. Easy. So this one is 1.7, this is 1.9. One 1.9. And then this bigger part, here it's 2.6. Just turning it a little bit to show you it in a different angle. This part is also 2.7, 2.8, and the problem is not that it cannot cut it, but the blade is not wide enough. Here it gets thinner. So I do like it very much. You can cut in every angle you like. I know the blade is not wide enough, but this is 3.2. You can see it doesn't fit in there. Doesn't mean it won't cut through it. Just doesn't fit in the blade. So it's strong enough, only the blade is not wide enough for this size of wood. Finished cutting these branches, so then we turn it off just by holding it. I remove the battery, and I'm showing you how much battery I used for this pile of branches. Almost nothing. Still full. I worked like 10 minutes on this, so very nice. And then even this is a small battery. I also have the 4 amp hour battery. Don't need to test that. This one will do good enough. And a small tip, the smaller you cut these pieces, the more you can put in your container. So that was the test, and I must say I really like this tool. It does what they say, cuts up to 25 millimeters, 2.5 centimeters of branches. Battery, very good. 2 amp hour is enough. You have 2 of these batteries in the set, including a charger. And in the description, you will find a link to this product and a 20% discount. So it will be around 60 euros, I think, for the tool, including the 2 batteries and the charger. Also comes with a spare blade and a tool to replace it. Don't forget, it works with a Makita battery also. So for now, I hope you like this video. Please give it a like, that helps me a lot. Subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.